believe that this is the beginning of a Steinway piano, and it takes 300 pairs of hands to make one of these for other hands to play? Woohoo!
They're sending through 16 layers of hard rock maple, and they're gluing them together with it's a urethane formaldehyde glue mixed with water, and they're spreading it over every layer completely. Once they have that whole stack, which we call a book of maple, they'll put the veneer on the top, which is that last really thin layer, which is mahogany, and then they're going to go press it on the D-press into the shape of a concert grand piano, which is 9 feet long.
And this rim is called a rim.
It's a rim. It's called a rim bending. It's called a continuous bent rim, which was an 1878 patent by the Steinways. Before that, all piano rims, including Steinway rims, actually old from the 1860s, were in 3 pieces, and we devised a way by stacking wood to make an integral structure with no vertical joints within the rim.
That is so fascinating. I want you all to know that this is the rim press on which my personal piano was made. Can you believe this gave birth to it? I love my piano. It's 6'2", and it has this gorgeous sound. And because I'm old and arthritic in my fingers, it plays so easily. And because my home has a wood ceiling, wood walls, and wood floor, the sound is gorgeous in the room. There's a rim in there. This is an M. And look at the rim. Oh my goodness.
Now these bridges have already been notched. The board has already been set. Now there you can see the end-grain maple. So that vibration goes across that bridge. It hits that end-grain maple, goes fast to the sounding board, which is a tapered sounding board, travels out to that hard rock maple rim.
What's your favorite thing about working for Steinway?
What's my favorite thing? Knowing that I'm part of something that's going to outlive me for a long, long time.
Oh, leaving a legacy.
When you look at the soundboard, this will be cross-set hits.
Got it.
You're going to see it being notched and how we're going to
Oh my gosh. I love my Steinway.